What's up, guys? Got some OVO 12s here. Got that October's very own owl right there. Black and gold Jordan box, as you can see. Subscribe to my channel while you're watching the video. I'm sure your favorite YouTubers are going to explain to you the new issues with YouTube monetization and all that. Finally, after about 10 seconds, I'm going to pull out these sneakers. We're 10 seconds into the video and I said finally. Here they are. Got some shiny little elephant skin type leather right here. I don't even think it's leather, but it's very interesting. Got the OVO bottoms, as you can see, number 23. Black and gold carbon fiber type pattern. I think so. Conventional Jordan 12 silhouette. One of the last videos I made about the Jordan 12 was like the first Jordan 12 I ever owned. And here we have a pair of OVOs. But to be perfectly honest with you, I don't own them, so I'm not going to pretend I do. Just want to point out there's a gold Jordan logo right on the laces here. Not complaining, I just think that's pretty fly. Someone recently commented on my videos about how I complained a lot about the Steph Curry laces and how I was super negative, but like realistically it didn't bother me that much. But it sounded like it bothered that dude. As you can see here, it says Jordan right at the back, right here. Black on black Jordan. You might not be able to see that in the video. We might be able to fix that in the editing. 23 conventional. These are pretty fly sneakers. Alright, so these sneakers right here retailed for $225 US, and they've gone for as much as $1,500 US. That's the 52-week high on StockX. But a reasonable price point for these, probably somewhere around $380 to $500 US. Let's see here, I can get a pair of size 12s for $650 on StockX right now. That's quite a lot. And here I have a pair of 9.5. And apparently I can buy another for $410. So I found these pretty fly. This is not my shoes, so I can't sell them. They're not my size, so I can't wear them either. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.